Did you know that anyone can create amazing animated stories with the help of AI and easiest animation software, which is also available for your smartphone?
Okay, tell me how to do it.
Welcome to my course where I will teach how to create an animated stories with AI scripting and voiceovers.
But I don't have an animation background.
So regardless of your background or experience, you can easily follow step-by-step instruction to create high quality engaging animated stories within no time. We will start with the ultra basic of Pentagon, including how to download and install the software in your desktop and mobile phone. Then we'll dive into our AI script and voiceover, which help us to create the dialogue for our custom characters.
This voice is also created using AI.
We'll just combine these characters with our scenes according to our requirement. Then I will teach you how to animate these characters and show how to turn your story idea into a reality.
Mark my words, I will going to replace you very soon.
And also we will learn many more latest AI solution which will be definitely help you to showcase your creative talent to the world. My name is Salman Naseem and I will be your instructor in that course. So, are you ready to unleash your creativity and bring your story idea to life? Let's get started with animated stories with AI and easiest animation software. See you in a course.